Actually guys, every time we work in September 22nd, nag-chat namin yung ako. So gagawin namin yung challenge namin is November or December. So meron po kasi USS dyan, yung one na presyo, para sa challenge namin yan. At $20, with signing ko yung photo for me. So, maraming salamat po sa inyo at nasa ano lang yung gusto nyo na! Okay. So this time, I'm gonna sing this song. It's time to say